how to manage text, how to put it as a heading, title, and how to manage font, sizing, bold, italic, underline, and right to left, all of that, and even how to check spelling, grammars, and all of that. Okay, don't worry, we're gonna do all of them in this lecture. First thing first, you have to be sure that your document is correct, okay, good, looking good, and it looks fine and looks amazing. And that can be done using spelling grammar check, okay, spelling and grammar check. So once you click in here, it says size has a problem, okay? And it should be size, not this size. It shouldn't be like that. So I'm gonna accept, or you can click in here, accept all, ignore all, add size to dictionary, or view personal dictionary. So because it's right, I'm gonna click right now. So right now the document looks amazing. So that was just an example. I'm gonna clear it off. Sorry. Okay, so that was the spelling and grammar check, and its shortcut is Control Alt X. So you do that always, and it's gonna work with that as well. Okay. Okay, so because for now there isn't anything wrong about my document. That's amazing. So let's go ahead and talk about how you can change the titles right now. So we're gonna go in here, and you can change the styles to subtitles, to normal text, and all of that, heading, to heading 2, heading 3, and we have even more options like use my default styles or reset, all of that. And you can change all these styles, all of that. Let me just pick up in here. So we changed it right now. And right now, you can see right now, you can say use my default style, or you can reset that one, or you can also as a save as my default. You can change this, for example, change the size a little bit. Okay, this is heading 2, changing the color, all of that. And then you can come back in here, and then you can save that as well. For now, it shouldn't do anything, okay? Let's go ahead. Right now, you can see it's available. Because of the internet connection, it wasn't. Okay, I thought. Okay, so that was this text style, font style. We will talk a little bit about them, okay, in the future through the project. Not a little bit, we're gonna talk a lot about this, okay? So for now, please understand that you can change the text style from here and use default styles, or save as a default styles, or reset one. When you save as a default, so this size will be as a default, okay? And it's gonna be great. You can manage the size as well in here. It's very. You can also do it with Control Shift plus. Yeah, Control Shift. Sorry. Yeah, Control Shift. Yes, this is one. This one. Control Shift, comma, and dot. Okay, sorry. So that's amazing. And we can also bold it. So I'm gonna say heading 1, and heading 2, heading 3. So we're gonna say heading 1, and I'm gonna click in here, apply heading 1, and apply heading 2, apply heading 3. So right now we have 3 headings that are possible for us right now. So we're gonna go to we can change font size, okay, using shortcuts. As well, we can bold the text, we can italic some text, or we can underline it, or we can change the text color to any color we want it. So it's very easy. Also, we can put a highlight of the text. Now be sure that anytime you want to have and you want a specific color and you can't find it in here, so you come to custom and you put it in here, okay? And the good thing is there's a hexadecimal code as well that allows you to copy and paste hexadecimal from there. For example, you can say color picker from the Google. You can pick up a color from Google, and then you can paste the special one color hexadecimal there, and it allows you to do that. There you go. Right now it's a hexadecimal, and for me it allows me to copy and paste any color using that. I can select from this part of color. I can change also HU, or I can pick up with color picker of Google. As you can see right now, this is amazing. For example, I can choose this one, and I can copy this one, of course. And there's also a lot of things in here, and I can click in here and I can click. So there you go. Right now it's very beautiful. All right. And also I can have it as a center aligned or right aligned, or left or center. All of that is possible. Or I can justify. Now justify is great for the paragraph. You can see right now this paragraph looks amazing because it's justified. If it wasn't justified, it looked like this. But for now, it's justified, so that's why it looks really amazing. So we focused about the spelling grammar check and font style and font, bolding and sizing, and bolding, italic, and underline, text color, highlight, and also alignment. Next time, we'll focus on more font settings.